ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಲಾಲನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ಥರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆ ಮಸೀದಿಯ ಮೈಕಿಂದ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡಲಾರ್ದಂತ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಅವರ ಆಟೋ ಹತ್ತಬಾರದು, ಅವರ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕೊಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ
Who is Hussain is a social justice movement with teams in 90 cities across the globe. Their teams of volunteers host local events to make a positive change in society through giving back to those most in need. Today in Bengaluru, their city team donated ration to Hindu family members during the holy month of Ramadan, with keeping love will win over hate as their slogan. They also plan to donate the same at a church in the city tomorrow. This organization comes as a ray of hope during a time where there's chaos across the state to divide people in the name of religion.
Who is Hussain is an international charity organization spread across 60 countries and 5 continents. In India, we are spread across 6 to 7 cities. Here today in Bangalore, you can see our team Who is Hussain Bangalore has visited a temple to give a message of peace and humanity. And in the holy month of Ramadan, it is our duty not just to help the Muslim community, because post-pandemic the entire humanity is affected. We have come here to help our Hindu brothers and sisters. We are catering to 100 families with monthly ration. We want to give a message that we stand shoulder to shoulder in the times of crisis. This is what Who is Hussain means. And also, we need to fight hate with love. Today, the situation, what our country is going through, and also a lot of chaos across the world, there needs to be a ray of light. And that is what Who is Hussain is doing. And you know, it's such a beautiful view. We're just standing in front of a temple. Tomorrow we're visiting a church. We are catering to another 100 families. So as a part of a voluntary organization, we are distributing food support to over 500 families in the month of Ramadan. I appeal to all of you, do not divide people by the name of religion, language or caste. We are all one, with the same children of God. And if we stand together, shoulder to shoulder, we can show to the world that we are Hindustanis. We belong to the greatest nation in the world, which is so unique with diverse cultures and religions. Let us please stand and work together hand in hand, because you and us, we're brothers and sisters. Each food kit consists of monthly ration. We are giving 10 kg rice, 5 kg atta, 2 kg dal, 1 kg sugar, 1 kg salt and 1 liter oil, and 100% of love.